Escapism is a color, a hue that beckons you to lose yourself in a paradise where you rediscover everything that truly matters. It's not just seen, it's felt. A shade woven into sunlit days and starlit nights. It paints the horizon where tranquil turquoise waters kiss the endless sky. That hue comes to life at Vivid Shores, a place where every moment is an invitation to live vividly. Mornings glow with calm reflection, afternoons sparkle with boating adventures on the lake, and evenings drift into elegant tranquility. Vivid Shores offers an escape from the ordinary, a sanctuary for those who cherish timeless beauty, effortless luxury, and a life that flows with the shades of escapism.